Choosing thermometer has become essential for households, whether for cooking, healthcare, or everyday convenience. Just like mechanical keyboards appealed to both gamers and typists for their precision and durability, thermometers have evolved. List number. The Alpha Griller's Instant Read Thermometer is a customer favorite for its lightning-fast response time and precision. Designed for grilling, baking, or even beverage preparation, it gives an accurate temperature reading within seconds. The large backlit display makes it convenient for both indoor and outdoor use, even in dim lighting. With its foldable probe and waterproof body, cleaning and storage are hassle-free. The versatility makes it suitable not just for chefs, but also for home users who want accuracy at their fingertips. Its ergonomic design and durable stainless steel probe guarantee long-term use. Compared to traditional thermometers, the Alpha Griller's model stands out for speed, reliability, and ease of use. For those looking for a list number 2, the Lonicera digital thermometer is tailored for precision baking, but is versatile enough for grilling, candy making, and even everyday meal prep. It features a sensitive stainless steel probe that delivers accurate readings in seconds. The thermometer's slim design makes it easy to insert into baked goods without damaging them, while the digital display ensures clarity at a glance. Home cooks particularly love it for bread baking, where precision in internal temperature is key. Its compact body makes storage simple, and it's portable enough for picnics and barbecues. Unlike bulky professional-grade devices, the Lonicera strikes a balance between affordability and accuracy. This thermometer is perfect for home chefs who need dependable results. List number 3. The NME No-Touch Infrared Thermometer is a healthcare must-have for families. With medical-grade accuracy, it delivers quick, non-contact readings that minimize cross-contamination risks. Designed for adults and children, it uses advanced infrared technology to measure temperature safely from the forehead. The backlit LCD screen is easy to read, even at night, making it a convenient choice for parents checking a sleeping child's temperature. It also features memory storage for up to 35 readings, ideal for tracking fever trends. The one-button operation ensures ease of use, while its lightweight design makes it portable and travel-friendly. Unlike traditional oral or armpit thermometers, this model prioritizes comfort and speed. List number. For serious home cooks and baking enthusiasts, the oven thermometer is a must-have. Measuring from 50 to 300 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, it's built to withstand extreme oven heat while maintaining precise accuracy. Unlike built-in oven dials, which can often be off by several degrees, this thermometer ensures your food cooks perfectly every time. Its sturdy, stainless steel construction makes it durable, and the clear dial is easy to read at a glance. Whether you're roasting meat, baking bread, or smoking BBQ, having an oven thermometer helps eliminate guesswork. The simple, no-battery design adds to its reliability and makes it a long-lasting investment. While digital options offer instant reads, this analog model excels in oven environments where electronics can fail. List number 5. The Boncare 10 Seconds Digital Oral Thermometer is a reliable choice for both adults and children. With a fast 10-second reading time, it balances speed and accuracy, making it a practical household thermometer. Its flexible tip adds comfort for oral use, while the waterproof body allows for easy cleaning. A beep signals when the reading is complete, reducing guesswork. It also stores the last temperature taken, helping track health over time. The slim design makes it portable and easy to store, perfect for at-home or on-the-go use. Families appreciate its affordability and ease of use compared to more expensive medical-grade models. For anyone seeking a simple, accurate, and budget-friendly over-the-counter thermometer, the Boncare